Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 11 of my 31-day series, Crochet Life Hacks. So these are all hacks, ideas, for things you can crochet to make your life easier. So today is day 11, and how many of you have ever misplaced the remote control for the TV? Hands up. Don't be shy. I know I do. So this is the Hideaway Crochet Sofa Caddy. So it's got like a little pocket, and you can put your magazine in it, and more importantly, you can put your remote control in it. You can also put your phone in there, or maybe your reading glasses, right? This is a great way to keep everything kind of organized and tidy and easy to find. So this is a free pattern from the Yarnspirations website. So I am going to go ahead and just open it up so I can see if I can get some more pictures for you. Let's take a look. Yes, it definitely is a free pattern. It looks like they used Bernat blanket yarn for this, and it is available in a kit as well. So that's kind of nice. Yeah, so the pictures really aren't any different than what we've been seeing so far, but I like this idea. I think this is a really good idea. Definitely would come in handy, and you know where the remote control was as long as you put it back. I could see this in a lot of houses really easily, and might also kind of protect the armrest of the sofa too. So yeah, two birds with one stone on that one. All right, everybody, if this is an idea you'd like to give it a try, go ahead and click on the link in the description box below. That'll take you zoom in right over to my Pinterest board, and from there you can find the picture. Click on that and it'll zoom you right over to the Yarnspirations website where you can download the free pattern. Yeah, let me know what you think of this idea. Is this something that you would use in your house? Is this something that you would use in maybe someone else's house, like an in-laws, something like that? It would be kind of a nice gift. All right, until tomorrow, have a great day. Bye-bye.